Hello and welcome to the 2-Minute Drill Podcast, a quick recap of the daily business and economic news for small business owners who can't waste any time. I'm Eric Minot and today is Thursday, August 6th. Finally, some good news on the unemployment front. Kind of, at least. The weekly jobless claims dropped 249,000 from the previous week and totaled 1.186 million, well below the market expectations of 1.42 million. Continuing claims dropped to 16.1 million, so the overall picture is still ugly, but we hope we are starting to see a trend of less unemployment claims. Tomorrow, the unemployment rate for July will be released, and we will give you the details on that number. Economists are expecting the return of inflation, as there is a 23% increase in money supply, which includes cash, checking and savings deposits, and money market securities. They believe not even the Fed will be able to control inflation. As a comparison, this year-over-year change in money supply never exceeded 15% until 2020. And the equation is simple. More supply of money in the market could result in higher prices. If you are a small business owner looking for funds, you have until August 8th to apply for a forgivable loan through the Payment Protection Program, PPP. Remember that at least 60% of the funds received must be used to pay for payroll expenses if you want to be eligible for loan forgiveness. So far, more than 5 million loans for small businesses have been approved through PPP. New York will be a different city once the pandemic is over. According to a report by Partnership for New York City, about 1/3 of the city's 240,000 small businesses may never reopen, especially in Manhattan, that was hit the hardest, as people have worked from home and offices are almost empty. Therefore, there are no commuters for retailers and restaurants. This has a huge impact on unemployment, as more than 500,000 jobs were lost. This was a 2-Minute Drill podcast. Subscribe to the show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or your favorite podcast platform. You can also find the show on our YouTube channel. This show was brought to you by Spark SMB Data. Visit our site at sparksmbdata.com and see how small business owners can use economic indicator analysis to generate more sales. This is Eric Minot, and see you tomorrow for another edition.